Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what episode this is gonna be or day, but happy Vlogmas. So I did a couple things today. I was like literally in sweats and looked very crazy, and I just cleaned my apartment because it was a mess. So did laundry, unpacked my clothes from Thanksgiving, and now I just did my hair. My hair was acting a little bit crazy, probably still looks kind of crazy, but just wanted to do that because I'm filming a Black Friday and I guess Cyber Monday haul for today. I was also going to film different things, but I think I'm also going to do a vlog. So I like to do like 2 days in one. I've been on a roll with Vlogmas, very consistent, and that's because I've had videos to post, but I hope you guys aren't too like, you know, weary of the quality. I know the DJI is great, but it's not the best quality out of my cameras. But just for the ease of Vlogmas, I'm using the DJI. So let me see. I've been posting. I've been like going 4 days strong. It's been pretty good. I haven't gotten any new followers from it yet, but that's okay because, you know, we're still growing, still getting there. I'm like a little bit less than halfway to the 3,000 watch hours, which is also really great. But now I wanted to like start the vlog because it's 3 p.m. and I haven't started the vlog. I'm also thinking about getting a real Christmas tree. That's very exciting. I think I mentioned that in another vlog, but I want to get a real Christmas tree, but that's going to be a little bit probably tomorrow or over the weekend because I want to order the stuff so that when I get the Christmas tree, it can just like lay flat on its own. But I need to do some makeup. I know I did like a whole makeup video, so I don't want to do something too like in depth per se, but I just wanted to start the vlog and say hello, good morning, or good afternoon, but I'm just gonna get ready to do the vlog. And since I already did like a chit chat makeup video, it makes no sense for me to do another one. But yeah, I just want to say hello and good morning. Good morning. But I just want to say hello and good afternoon and just start this vlog so I can start it off. I know it's not early in the day, but I have a couple things that I'm doing today and a few errands that I'm running. It's nothing too crazy. I need to put my stuff back in the storage unit and then go to the dry cleaners because I'm finally getting my coat repaired, and I'll just get it dry cleaned as well, because I can't continue to like wear that coat. I love that coat. I got so many compliments on it. It's from Zara. You guys have probably seen it in like all my thumbnails, but I love it so much. But I also want to get another coat, so I need to get that sewn so that it can get repaired. But yeah, that's what I've been basically doing, or what I'm gonna do today. And then I'm going out to eat tonight. I don't know what the spot, it's like a fusion spot, which is gonna be pretty good. So yeah, today's like a little bit of a boring chill day, but that's how they're going to be, guys. Like not every day is super exciting and super fun, you know. But I just wanted to say hello. But I'm gonna do my makeup and then talk to you guys a little bit later. Something looks slightly off. I think maybe I didn't use enough of a bright concealer. I'm not quite sure, but I'm not too pressed about it. It looks good. It will do what it needs to do for the purpose of this video and the video that I'm filming, which is my Black Friday haul. And it's currently 3:36, so I need to film this really quickly before the sun starts setting. But I'm gonna go set up. Let me show you guys like the items that I got. Oh my gosh, guys, I stained my this chair is getting stained. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Anyways, so sad I stained the chair. But the apartment is clean. I'll show you guys my bedroom. but this is the items that I got. I mean, you guys saw it, but here it is, and this is where I'm gonna be filming over here, and I'm just gonna show like the vlog what I got. But look at my apartment, it's so clean. I do need to take down my fall decor, so that'll be in a separate vlog. And my painting that I got arrived, so the kitchen is basically clean. There's still some dishes in the sink that I need to do, but the hallway is kind of clean. I need to take those suitcases downstairs. And my beauty room is clean as well. And then we have my bedroom, which is also clean. Very, very nice. So everything is pretty much done and clean. I need to start recording because I think the sun is setting. So I'll probably pick up the camera once I'm done because I just need to focus on getting this video. All right, bye. All right, y'all, I finished recording. It's currently 4:24, but I want to show you guys because I was editing my closet makeover and I think that video is going to go up soon, but I want to show you guys a quick update for my closet. I don't think you guys saw, but I got them adjusted and they look so nice. I know in that video it probably looks crazy, but this is like what I intended it to look like. Don't look at the ones at the bottom. Those are maybe a little bit more crazier, but these are really nice and crisp. So that's what I intended for it to look like. Those are my shoes over there. And then my lovely, lovely bags that are sitting very, very pretty. I love this collection that I'm curating. Oh, the white one is just so gorgeous. And then the red one, oh my gosh. And then the pink Birkin, and then the Chanel. And then we have all my clothes right here. I think this was honestly such a good shop here. I love this bag so much. I think I'm gonna wear this to dinner. But I just want to come and update you guys because I feel like we haven't talked in a minute. Okay, that's that. I got this sweater from Oak & Fort. You guys know I love Oak & Fort. So I'm just gonna wear this bag today. I actually need to check what time the dry cleaner is closed because I actually need to go and drop off my clothes and not stop, you know, not play about that. But let me go check. Try to see, make sure it looks good. It's so cute. Ah, stunning. And then maybe I'll wear one of the necklaces that I got today. And my leopard bag from YSL. So cute. I know, what's it called? In the Woodbury Commons video, I said I was going to wear this bag, but I didn't end up wearing it. It just didn't go with my outfit. The silver Chanel bag actually went with my outfit, surprisingly. I rarely wear that bag. That's a bag my mom gave to me on my 21st birthday as well because I wanted a Chanel bag, but I rarely wear it. But I still keep it because there are a few outfits that I wear that it still looks nice with. I actually don't have a lot of winter shoes, I realized. It's very sad. But oh my gosh, I love this bag. Like, this is my favorite bag, guys. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I was gonna love this bag as much as I do, but I really love it. I love the leopard and the material. Let me step into a better light. I love the leopard and the material. It looks so good with black, and this is something I'll wear all the time. I've never been into like mini bags, but YSL did their big one with this one. Oh my goodness. And then I have to text all my essays soon that I'm coming to Paris because I actually really connected with a lot of them. So I have to text the guy, and I just like sticking to them. And that's when I usually do my luxury shopping, is usually when I go to Europe. So I am going. I don't think I'll be shopping like I did before, but I just kind of want to see what's there. I don't even know what my agenda is. I want to go to Errands again and get I have a problem. I want to go to Errands again and see if I can score a bag, but my sister wants to try one, so I may just be like, okay, whatever, and focus on jewelry. I want to get a Messica. Is it Messica or Messica? I think it's Messica. I'm not quite sure. I want to get jewelry for them. Their like move thing, it looks so nice. Like just like the little one looks very nice, and their hand chain and the bracelet looks also really nice. I want to get a piece from Cartier as well. What else? I think those are really the only two places of jewelry in mine. Maybe some shoes. Chanel, I will always get a shoe. But yeah, I just love this. Ugh, I'm obsessed with this bag. I love it. I love the size. I love it so much. Okay, so quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Champs-Élysées top that I got from H&M, this black jacket that I got from Zara, some pants, Oak and Fort, my leopard loafers from YSL, from Louis Vuitton, bag is YSL, and we're ready to head out, run some errands. Okay guys, so now I'm at the grocery store. I dropped off my clothes. She overcharged me by a sweater. That's why it's so important to look at your items. Even though it may be pricey, it should never be too pricey. I don't know, I also feel like it's still a lot, but sewing both pockets is $25, which that's a little sketch to me. And then yeah, t-shirt, hat. Anyways, but I got a credit for next time, so that's great. I need to start washing the clothes in my thing. Maybe I'll just wash it separately, but I'm just so scared of it ruining. But I'm at the grocery store, so let's do a little bit of shopping. This is the only water, like, not only water I drink, but this is the water I love to get. So let me grab some of that. It was pretty cool outside. I got a majority of the water in. I just left one case in the car, but that was the only thing that I got because I'm making lasagna soup. I was debating if I wanted to go to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's to grab the ingredients or do that in the morning, and I've decided I'll do it in the morning, so I have to wake up super early and get started with that. I'm also debating if I should start editing the video that's going up for tomorrow because I don't have anything planned. Like, I've already ran out of videos. I was honestly procrastinating with the content I'm supposed to edit, so I could start like importing the footage in now. My other video should already be live. Yeah, it would have been live for like a couple of minutes now, which is my winter closet makeover. That's already up. A lot of people are actually like watching it, so that's good. So that video is live. I need to post it on my Instagram and I need to put all that stuff away. I'm still going out today, so we're gonna go into the city and watch the Christmas tree lighting and then come back to Brooklyn and eat at a restaurant. So I'm gonna let you guys charge because this battery dies pretty fast when you're vlogging with it every day. That's one thing I'll say about this camera. So I'm gonna put it to charge so I can get some extra juice, and I'm just gonna honestly maybe unpack my things and just start editing. I think the smartest idea will be to start editing, so I'm gonna go do that while you guys are charging. dinner. Dinner was actually pretty good. I would say half the meals that we ordered were good. Okay, the vegan rasta pasta, oh my gosh, so good. I got it without the sausage because I consider myself like half vegan. I don't what's it called? I don't necessarily eat like vegan meat. I'm not a big fan of like Impossible meat and all that stuff. So I removed the vegan sausage and then I added the chicken. Oh, chef's kiss. I wasn't a big fan of the lamb chops. I feel like it was just plain. And they threw like soya seasoning on it. It smelled good, but it tasted pretty bland. So I was like, okay, on to the next. And then the braised oxtail lo mein, it was okay. The oxtail rice, it was okay. But the rasta pasta was really good. The terramin wings were 10 out of 10. There's something Scotch chicken was pretty good. I'll give it like an 8.5 out of 10. But yeah, I wasn't a really big fan of the lo mein, and we were gonna say to take it off, but I didn't want to make it seem like we were taking off too many things. But I wasn't really a big fan of the lo mein, so I just put it in a box, and I was like, maybe if I see someone outside, I would give it to them. But it's so cold. Oh my gosh, so cold. We were supposed to go to tree lighting today, but we're just gonna save that for another day because it's so tired, and I was hungry and I wanted to eat before. But I was trying to find a vegan bakery. They didn't have a lot of stuff. I found one close to me, and they have this vegan babka. I don't know what a babka is. I think it's like, I don't know. I've heard of it before. It sounds familiar, but I just got a vegan cinnamon babka from this restaurant. So I was like, okay, I'll try that. And then this popcorn, it's so good. But this is, let me see, it's maple, which is, yeah, it's a maple popcorn. And it's also vegan as well, so that's really good. And then I'm gonna make my cookie dough, my Pillsbury cookies. So delicious. And then they did have hot chocolate. He closed down the coffee shop. They did have hot chocolate, but he was unsure if it had dairy or not. That place, it's vegan, but it's like you kind of have to ask, and I wasn't trying to risk that. There's also another cookie, which I'm like, I don't know if I want to eat because it doesn't say it's vegan, but he was able to tell that it was not vegan. So I'm like, gonna avoid that. So I have the oven on. That's what you guys are hearing. So I'm gonna make my Oreos, and I also have some chai tea that I bought the other day. So I'm gonna have some chai tea with cookies and popcorn. And I've been recently watching the Diddy documentary, which is so crazy. I think I'm like on episode 2. But I'm like, wow, people are insane and crazy. But today was a really good day. I was a little bit worried it was going to be a little bit of a boring vlog, which still technically is a boring vlog. But I'm probably going to end the vlog here, guys. I always want to like record the cookie and whatever process, but it's already 9:30. And I'm tired and I don't want to prolong this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.